gonna make yogurt cheese. The perfect type of yogurt for this is a whole fat yogurt. You end up with a really creamy, delicious, dense yogurt cheese from this. So you can use as little or as much as you want, and approximately for every 1 cup of liquidy, beautiful, velvety yogurt. This is Stonyfield. You get 1/3 cup of cheese out of this, and you just spoon it in. I'd probably put about 2 cups in here. In about 6 to 12 hours, this will become yogurt cheese. And last night, I made some and put in the refrigerator, so let's see what it looks like. And you can see how much liquid has come out. So all of the good, creamy yogurt has now been condensed into a beautiful cheese. How about we sprinkle some sesame seeds on top, some good salt, parsley, a little bit of oregano, some fresh chives. It's so creamy, flavorful. It's so good.